मैं तो कहूंगा कि मुझे बहुत पनिशमेंट है, नचा नचा के मुझे पनिशमेंट चाहिए.
No, actually, I mean, we took this song in 3 days, I think. No, sir? 3 days.
Yeah.
So, I mean, this time, a little bit, I gave, my concentration was fully on sir, because first time he was dancing, and but he did it, I mean, we already decided to be very stylish, and that's it. No, no, actually, then he came to the, I mean, that, sir, sound, do it. And then he just did it. I told, okay, no, sir, really? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Everybody was clapping, and it's actually in the first take only he did it, and then it's just a thought. I don't know how it happened, but I thought it's cool, cool for this
he
song.
Yeah, and
admired.
it looks very funny and nice also.
And also already we want to change the dress, many things like that. Well, and then Jackson, then I thought, no, it's looking good. Let it be in the full song, so it will be registered, and it looks nice and cool. And
No, I think it was tough dancing, but Prabhu made it very easy for me, in the sense, as he says also that ये एक actor की body language पढ़ के उस हिसाब से movements देते हैं. So he did that, and he made me very comfortable doing it. So and he was concentrating on the expression also and the step, and so he made it very easy.
as he said, we read the actors on first day. So as per his body language, we did it. Because if it was difficult, it wouldn't have happened in 3 days. It would have gone 5 days.
Longer,
6 days.
yeah.
But we did it very happily. Sir we kept him very happy. In between, it was very tensed.
No, and the best part is that he made me enjoy shooting the
yeah,
song,
yeah.
so that was fun.
Actually, in third day and all, he was ready. Prabhu, come on, we can do it. Next, what?
तुमसे मिलने का
कीड़ा अंदर है,
डेटिंग कर ले तू
ओपन कैलेंडर है.
सोम मंगल बुध गुरु शुक्र शनि रवि
आजा मेरी गली, आजा मेरी गली, आजा मेरी गली.
Yeah, because it's in the mid range, it's not in the high pitch voice, it's not nasal.
I
नाक से नहीं
can't-
गाया है.
आपको आपको आप में से किसी को पता चला वही है.
और I think it's I've enjoyed working with Prabhu ji and Ajay ji के साथ, Bol Bachan and Son of Sardar and Sonakshi के साथ. I mean, lots of hits have been there. They've really been very lucky for me. So it's been a great team, and this film is Prabhu Deva. See, you know, every frame में आपको दिखेंगे, music में दिखेंगे, every beat में, and he is there in everything. You know, मेरे music में जो भी आपको दिख रहा है, it is Prabhu Deva ji.
You know, he made
No, any film, when they told us first this title, Action Jackson, everybody loved it. So this film was perfect for it. Then I told it, well, okay.
all right, great. Then to
And
that.
first of all, thanks to Umesh sir, such a superb songs. And not only this song, we have 6 to 7 songs in the film. And first time I'm working with the sir, he's tremendously, I mean,
नहीं मैं पहले म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर हूँ भाई. मेरी रोजी रोटी वो है. प्रोड्यूस तो हमने बीच में 2 फिल्में की है और करते रहेंगे, लेकिन म्यूजिक मेरी कोर कॉम्पिटेंसी है, और मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में म्यूजिक की वजह से जाना जाता हूँ, और वो ही हमेशा करता रहूँगा. तो दूसरे प्रोड्यूसर के लिए हो या अपने लिए हो, किसी के लिए भी, मेरे लिए वो गाना एक वही नज़र से मैं करता हूँ कि मेरा पहला गाना है.
sir, what, sir, even my assistant director, sir, what happened, sir? Why you're not doing anything? And he told, no, Prabhu, last 2-3 films I am little.
Yeah, everybody the whole unit got very upset that, you know, they were working with me for the first time, तो उनको लगा कि मैं इस set पे ऐसा हूँ. But past 3-4 years I've sobered down, तो ऐसा कुछ ज़्यादा मस्ती करता नहीं हूँ मैं.
बट सर आपने डांस काफी बार किया, इवन ठाठा दुनिया दी ठाठा हमने काफी डांस देखा, तो ये पहली बार क्यों कहा जा रहा है कि आपने डांस किया है?
क्योंकि मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि ये सुपर्ब किया है, बट जितना भी किया है मैंने उसमें सबसे नीटली और सबसे सही तरीके से, दिस वाज माय डॉटर्स रिएक्शन आल्सो, दैट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इट्स क्लीन. सो
Actually, you know what? When I start dancing, मैं अगल बगल का देखती नहीं हूँ. I just dance. So I think I did that even here. And Prabhu sir has always told me that, you know, dance like just go all out. So I think I've done that even here. And don't say like that. आपको अपना level tame down करना पड़ा. मुझे अपना level बढ़ाना पड़ा. अजय देवगन जैसे महान कलाकार के साथ dance करते वक्त.
See, if you talk about Bollywood, it's not just Bollywood, and somewhere I disagree with them, and somewhere I agree with them. I agree with them because we stand up and we demand everything what we need and we want. And honestly speaking, how much of the percentage in our country is educated? So do we deserve what we are getting? If you're talking about mobiles and net also freely available. There are so many people who are not just illiterate but come from that level that they don't understand such things, and they have porn on their mobiles and things like this, which they keep watching all the time. So what will they do? So what all are you going to ban? And what all are you going to stop? So either we decide that, okay, we don't deserve all this, and we go back, which works for everybody, and let everybody, when everybody is ready in this country, then we introduce technology and films and things like this. Or we fight it.
Other two. See, everybody has their own style. That's what. No, when we are doing for Sir, we used to talk a lot. Not with Sir. Before doing the song, my writer used to tell, Prabhu sir, like how you do Rajini sir song, and I have done Sir also is very stylish. Make him something like stylish, but he must not look. Uncomfortable, yeah, uncomfortable, but comfortable, stylishly it must be. So we were thinking of that, and we did it, and it looks very stylish in the film. Not only in this song he has done, we must see all 5 to 6 songs Sir has danced.